Smells like Granny's washing.
Yeah.
What's going on, peeps? It's Benjamin at Cowabunga Car Diaries, and I'm on my own today, which is lame. But still trying to do content for you guys in these really shit conditions. Hope everybody's well and safe and sticking to the lockdown and the social distancing and all that. I know it's crap and it's hard, but we've got to do it. So my car is parked at the missus's house, so I can still kind of work on it, but I can't wash it or anything like that. I'm just doing my Sweden because it's in like a parking area a little bit away from my house. Our house is just literally just over there, but there's no power, there's no water. But anyway, I thought I would do a little video today because I've been meaning to do this for ages and the weather is lush. So I thought, why the hell not? Because I can take it out and do it over there. And what I'm going to be doing is taking out the seats and trying to do like a step-by-step guide on how to clean them up, because mine are absolutely disgusting. I use this car daily for a long time and it's just got rank, but now it's not my daily. It's parked up most of the time, so it's worth doing and keeping clean. Before we start though, massive thank you to all the new subscribers. We've had over the last few weeks like 60 odd subscribers subscribe, which has pushed us over the 600 subscriber point, which is freaking amazing. So thank you very, 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 very much. So much appreciated. Also, in these times, obviously you get a lot of spare time. So I've been looking at like the analytics of the videos and the channel and stuff like that. And it came to my attention that I think it was like 65% of people that watch our videos aren't subscribed. So hit that goddamn subscribe button and get us up to 1,000, motherfuckers. So we need to take the seats out. That is the first thing. And then I will show you what products we're going to use, what product that we're going to use, which is recommended by Recaro to clean Alcantara seats, this is the Alcantara bit, the like suede stuff. And they actually recommend using Woolite, which you can get in any supermarket. It's just a pink bottle. I'll show you, it's in the van at the minute, but I'll show you all that when I get the seats out and get them back to the house. And I'm using a wet vac. You don't have to use a wet vac, but I got one, so I thought it would make it quicker. And we'll get in proper deep and hopefully get all the crap out. I mean, look, yeah, I'll show you how gross they are. They're absolutely disgusting. This is the passenger one, which is nowhere near as bad as, I don't know what that is. It's like some weed themselves. But as you can see, they are pretty gross, like all this. I'm going to try and clean all this up as well. But if you look at the driver's seat, it's even worse. Look at that. It's absolutely disgusting. So we're going to try and get them out. Now I believe we take that off and that off, that off and that off, get the bolts undone that are underneath, unplug the airbags and everything else that's wired into them, and they should just lift out. So I'm going to get them out first, and then we will get them over to the house and see if we can make them look brand spanking new. Right, that is all 4 bolts undone. That one, and 2 on the front. And then I think if we slide this back, tip the seat back out the way, and then we need to, oh god, we need to undo that one, that one, that one, and that one. Now, I was considering disconnecting the battery, but I ain't gonna bother. The ignition's off, so everything should be fine. If I get an airbag to the face, then make good video, won't it? So we're going to try and get them plugs off, which will just leave the wiring harness there. Oh my god, look at it, so rank. Give it a good clean as well. Get them undone and go from there. Right, that is the plugs undone. It was just those 4, super easy to get out. these yellow ones got like a slider on them. So I'll show you. There's like a slider on there. You pull that up like that, and then it just pulls out. Same with that yellow one, and those ones literally just pull out, the white one and the blue one. So let's get them seats out and just do the same on the other side, which I won't show you, and lump them around to the house. Happy days. Right, both seats are out. As you can see, I'm going to get a hoover all of this out to try and make this all nice. Hoover all the back seats. I'm not taking them out, can't be bothered. Tidy that up because it's an absolute mess. Piece of piss, literally 4 bolts, 8 covers, 8 bolts, 8 covers. I'll just whip them out and unplug them. So I've also taken out the mats as well. So I'm going to give them a good wet vac as well while I'm at it. Give this a hoover out, and then we'll get on to phase 2. Right, seats are out, hoovered. I hoovered all the inside. This is the stuff you need. Woolite. I got this in Sainsbury's. It's like £3, I think, something like that. That apparently is what Recaro recommend to clean Alcantara seats, which is good. And I'm going to dilute it into a squirter, because we love the squirter. I'm going to do it, they are minging my seats, so I'm going to do it 1 part woolite to 5 parts water. So we're going to do that now. Oh, it smells like granny's washing. Okay, so got 1 part woolite in, and we're going to fill it up the rest 5 parts with water, and get squirting. Right, so I fill that up. I use warm water as well. I'll give it a good shake, and then I'm going to spray the seats, rub it all in, proper like agitate it in, try and get all this crap out. I'm going to do the same on the floor mats, and then let that soak in for a bit, proper scrub it, and then I'm going to fill the wet back up with water, and then suck all that out, and we shall see what comes out of it. So I might just time lapse this bit, because you don't really want to see me scrubbing a seat. Me, that was hard work. Right, I'm done. Mats are done. Looking better. Seats are done. Obviously they're soaking wet. Already I can see a huge difference. I don't know whether all the stains are going to have gone on that are on the seats. I'm hoping so, but it's hard to tell because they're still wet. But look at this. That is all the crap that's come out of them seats. It's disgusting. So it's definitely done its job, which is amazing. And it smells really good too. So all that's left to do now is leave them out in the sun to dry. And that's it, simple as that. So I'll leave them out for a day in the sun, get back in the car, and then we'll have a look to see how good they look. Look at that. Morning. It's the next day. Let's go to the garage and see if the seats are dry. We can get back in the motor. Oh, what a difference. What a difference. They're a little bit damp still, but not a single stain on that one. That one I don't know what that is. I think it's still a bit wet in the middle there. Yeah, all in. Looks better. Let's get back in the motor. Right, covers are on, seats are in, and I'm pleased. The mats look good as well. It just needs a bit of a brush, but yeah, look, no stains. No stains. There's a little bit of staining on that one still, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was. I'm gonna get a razor and shave down all this. But yeah, I've got a cover coming for that because I can't get rid of that there. It's rank, so I've got a cover the same as that coming. But yeah, pleased with that. So there we have it. Just a bit of a boring video, but might be useful to some people. And they are looking so much cleaner. I mean, I don't know if it comes across on video or not, but I'll put a picture up in the corner here of what they look like when I took them out, and the difference is massive. I mean, they look so different. I'm considering doing the red on the door cards, because that was gross as well, to tie it all in. But yeah, so that was it for another video. I got a couple more that I can do as well while I'm here. So I might try and get them done while I'm not working, and then at least you guys have got something to watch. And I think, oh, Chrissy's got a little message she wants to say to you all, so I'll stick that in now.
What up, guys? Yeah, tough times at the moment. Obviously, first of all, I want to say big thank you to all the new subscribers. Yeah, me and Ben are really shocked of how many subscribers we're gaining at the minute. It's all really good. Well, car season's a little bit of a washout at the minute, as you all know. I'm actually carless at the moment. Sold the Premiere yesterday. Deposits on a new car, so it's all something to look forward to. Obviously, I'll reveal what car it is when we actually go and get it, when I'm able to. Ben's been staying busy. He's recently done all his seats in his TypeR, so he's keeping busy on his car. I unfortunately don't have a car now, but yeah, it's all going good. Once again, thanks again, guys, for the new subscribers. We just stay positive and hope you're all keeping well. And yeah, we'll get through this and good times to come. Alright, so stay safe, everyone. Peace out.
Thank you, Christoph. And yeah, awesome. Weird doing it on my own. But anyway, that's it. Awesome. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Stick a comment down in the old crotch box. Tell us what you think. And I shall see you on the next video. Stay safe. Stay social distancing. Peace out. Bye-bye.